All right, everybody. It's the 25th June. The month is slowly coming to an end. So let's do some analysis here. Let's take a look at pound yen here first on the daily time frame. Remove this. Boom, boom. Pound yen, to be honest, is slowly starting to move up here again. The daily candle is looking very nice. It does seem like the daily candle moved down, and we're kind of like, we don't know whether it's creating a lower wick to continue pushing up or to consolidate. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see the 4-hour candle is whatever. We're kind of like rejecting 202, 550, but let's draw some zones here to see if we can create some sort of a meaning in this madness. Now, we have resistance, at the same time we have a support. We got this wick to the bottom side. We'll take a look at that on the 1-hour time frame. Now, looking at the 1-hour time frame, we can see that that wick is basically okay. Maybe on the 30-minute, there's some sort of a market structure. Market structure basically means, when we talk about wick, is that the candles went down, closed, and then the candle went up, right? So, all right, let's take a look on the 30-minute. Going down to the 30-minute, we have some more information, and I guess we are creating a resistance on the 30-minute, and there's also a support on the 30-minute. Now, so it does, well, okay. Right now, candles are printing side by side. We're consolidating. Let's take a look at these wicks on the 15-minute time frame. And on the 15-minute, now we have more information. The reason I'm looking at the 15-minute is because, we had big wicks on the 30-minute, so that's why we got to look at the 15-minute to see if there's some sort of market structure. So basically now we have this range. It's like a 16-pip range. If you break above 202,300, you're looking at like a 20-pip range price move up, 23-pip range your price to move up. And to be honest, after a long while, I can see some sort of a clean market structure on pound yen. Before that, it's just been like, price has been consolidating and not really doing anything. But now we have, okay, so let me do this. Boom, boom, we got this. Blue line. Blue line is good because it kind of tells me what areas should price fall into to look for some sort of possible trades. Now, if we break below 202.120, you're looking at like a wick fill, 16 pips, looking at price to move down, 27 pips, right? Usually, I'd look at a range of about 25 to 30 pips to take a trade, especially on gold. But since pound yen has a low volume, so that means you have smaller ranges now as well. Like a 22 pip range, you can get like 10, 15 pips out of it. At the same time, if you look at 202.120 and below, got like a 17 pip range, you can get about 10 pips out of it. And if you continue to move down, got like a 26 pip range till 201.860. So we'll see what happens in pound yen. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, so gold. Let's see here. Let's remove these zones first of all. We're going to jump over to the daily time frame. Daily. Okay, so now so let me remove this deal map here. Okay, so now the previous daily candle on gold, we closed bearish. Okay, so we got support. At the same time, we have a resistance on gold up over here. So we got resistance up here and we got support. Now, from the Asian session, price moved down and there's no wick on the top on the daily time frame. Now, if daily is going to continue to push up, we need to break its own high and then to push up in this range. If that happens, I think it's going to be an amazing buying opportunity. But if you break below 2316, then I guess first stop is going to be this wick here to the left hand side, not the support, this wick, because this wick may be some sort of a support on the small time frames at 2306. I haven't looked at the small time frame to see what this wick is, but still I'm going to make a zone right over here just to see if that is some sort of a market structure support. Market structure support means like candles creating a support on the 1 hour, 4 hour. Let's take a look on the 4 hour now. 4 hours creating a support over here perfectly. There's no problem in that. We also have a resistance from the 4 hour, and this resistance is basically the point on the chart. If we do break above this area, the daily candle will flip bullish and we can continue to push up. And if we have and we honestly have a very good range here above 23, 35, like clean candles, clean range. I mean, it's going to be awesome if we do get to that point. Right, so let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame now, we do have this resistance forming. We do have this support forming at the bottom. Let's adjust this zone on the 1 hour time frame. There we go, like that. We have that support. Take this blue line, bring it down over here as well. If we break below this area 2318, we can continue to push down. Looking to the left hand side, we have clean range. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. 30-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute. Yes, same idea there. But so far now, we're like, this is in the 160 pip range. 15-minute, too messy. Yeah, we're in this 160 pip range with wicks. And, well, I was going to say that wait for price to break above the blue line to go up or break below the blue line to go down. But, yeah, it seems like we're in this big range. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, we got that support forming, and then at the same time we got this resistance forming on the 15-minute time frame. Pretty small, tight range here. So if we do, let's say, break above 23.27, this is like a 30 pip range for price to move up. Actually, pretty good for price to move up for buys. I'd say that's going to be a okay idea for price to move up. And if we do break below this area, because look, these candles, let's take a look over here. Get this over here, get this over here. So now, 23.24. One candle couldn't break below 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 candles couldn't break below 23.24. So if we get a candle to break below 23.24, you're looking at price to continue pushing down, probably to fill this wick, 35 pips away, looking to the left-hand side. Yeah, I think that's going to be a very good idea. So we have these ranges now. Just got to wait for pre-London, London Open, and then we'll see where we go from there. In terms of live streams, it's going to be tricky today, whether it's going to be London or New York, because I got some very, very important family stuff to do. So maybe 30 minutes to an hour before, I'll mention it in the live stream channel for everyone, whether it's going to be the New York or London stream. But still, we're going to see you later. Take care.